हेलो एवरीवन, आज न्यू चैप्टर शुरू करते हैं कार्डियोलॉजी पार्ट 1। इसका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है रॉथ स्पॉट इज सीन इन ए फेरिंग्स, बी हार्ट, सी फंडस एंड डी पाम। सो करेक्ट आंसर इज सी फंडस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज थर्ड हार्ट साउंड व्हेन हर्ड इज ए ऑलवेज पैथोलॉजिकल, बी इंडिकेटिव ऑफ पावरफुल arterial contraction, C suggestive of poor lateral ventricular function, D due to closure of AV valve. Right answer is C suggestive of poor lateral ventricular function. Next question is Valsalva menorrhoea increase the loudness of following: A hypertrophy, cardiomyopathy, B MCP, C both and D none. Correct answer is C both. Next question is all of the following are diastolic murmur except A Carvalho, B Austin Flint, C Graham Steele and D Carey Combs. Right one is A Carvalho. Next question is varying pulse pressure with normal rhythm is seen in A asthma, B respiratory failure, C LVF, D cardiac tamponade. Right answer is C LVF. Next question is a square root sign is seen in A cardiac tamponade, B cardiac rupture, C constructive pericarditis and D all. Right answer is C constructive pericarditis. Next question is severity of mitral stenosis is assessed by A left arterial enlargement, B loudness of S1, C calcification of valve and D A2OS gap. Right answer is D A2OS gap. Next question is myocardial infarction most often result in A MS, B AR, C AS and D MR. Right answer is E MR. Next question is Holt-Oram syndrome is A ASD associated with skeleton defect, B ASD with MS, C aortic occlusive disease, D thromboangiitis obliterans. Right answer is A ASD associated with skeleton defects. Next question is best investigation of diagnose pericardial effusion: A echo, B chest X-ray, C ECG and D tapping. Right answer is A echo. Next question is the tumor which most commonly metastatized to the heart: A all, B non-Hodgkin's, C bronchogenic carcinoma and D malignant melanoma. Right answer is C bronchogenic carcinoma. Next question is atherosclerosis is inversely proportional to A LDL, B VLDL, C HDL and D chylomicron. Right answer is C HDL. Next question is myocardial isoenzyme which is specific for myocardial infarction: A CKMN, B CKMB, C CKBB and D all. Right answer is B CKMB. Next question is differential kinosis is seen in A PDA, B COA, C TOF and D Epstein anomaly. Right answer is A PDA. Next question is Rhesus syndrome is due to A graft rejection, B fungus, C autoimmune reaction and D virus. Correct answer is C autoimmune reaction. Next question is Monk-Burke sclerosis involve which layer of arteries: A intima, B media, C externa and D all layers. Right one is B media. Next question is kinosis is seen in all except A meth HB more than 1.5 grams percent, B sulf HB more than 0.5 gram percent C. Reduce HB more than 5 gram percent, and D. Total HB less than 5 gram percent. Correct answer is D. Total HB less than 5 gram percent. Next question is Liebman-Sachs endocarditis is seen in A. MR, B. Rheumatic fever, C. SLE, B. SABE. Right answer is C. SLE. Next question is sinus bradycardia is seen in all except A. Hemorrhagic shock, B. Athletes, C. Obstructive jaundice, and D. Myxedema. Right answer is A. Hemorrhagic shock. Next question is correct sequence of appearance of enzyme after MI is A. SGOT, LDH, CKMB, B. CKMB, SGOT, D. LDH, C. CKMB, LDH, SGOT, D. LDH, SGOT, CKMB. Right sequence is B. CKMB, SGOT, LDH. Next question is Trope sign is AR is seen due to A. Pistol sound over medium sized artery, B. Nodding of head with every beat, C. Ovular pulsation, D. Dancing of cardiac pulse. Correct answer is A. Pistol sound over medium sized artery. Next question is Weng-Back phenomena is defined as a progressive lengthening of PR interval till a beat dropped, B. Slurred QRS complex, C. Irregular heartbeat and premature ventricular beats, D. Shortened ST intervals. Correct answer is A. Progressive strengthening of PR interval till the beat is dropped. Next question is commonest type of congenital heart disease seen in adults, A. VSD, B. ASD, C. Bicuspid aortic valve, and D. TOF. Right answer is C. Bicuspid aortic valve. Next question is notching of inferior surface of rib take place in all except A. Coarctation of aorta, B. TOF, C. Pulmonary stenosis, and D. Marfan syndrome. Right answer is D. Marfan syndrome. Next question is systemic and pulmonary embolism are together seen in A. Anterior MI, B. Posterior MI, C. Inferior MI, and D. Septal MI. Right answer is D. Septal MI. Next question is commonest cyanotic congenital heart disease, A. COA, B. TOF, C. ASD, and D. VSD. Correct one is B. TOF. Next question is thromboembolic phenomenon with joint pain and changing murmur occur in A. SABE, rheumatic fever, rheumatoid arthritis, and D. MR. Correct one is A. SABE. Next question is hoarseness of voice occur in A. MR, B. MS, C. AS, D. AR. Correct answer is B. MS. Next question is Cardiacom murmur is seen in A. Severe mitral stenosis, B. Acute rheumatic carditis, C. Pure aortic regurgitation, and D. Severe pulmonary hypertension. Correct answer is B. Acute rheumatic carditis. Next question is least conduction velocity is found in A. SA node, B. AV node, C. Bundle of His, and D. Purkinje fiber. Correct answer is B. AV node. Next question is also note are a clinical feature of A. Osteoarthritis, B. RA, C. Infective endocarditis, and D. Leprosy. Correct answer is C. Infective endocarditis. Next question is which of the following condition is present in Ludwig's angina? A. Angina pain felt about the left hand, B. From cellulitis start in the submandibular region and spread to the floor of mouth, C. Rigidity of the lower limb, and D. Bleeding from the mouth. Correct answer is B. from the cellulitis start in the submandibular region and spread to the floor of the mouth. Next question is, major part of total peripheral resistance is due to A. medium and small arteries, B. capillaries, C. venules, and D. arterioles and some small artery. Correct answer is D. arterioles and small arteries. Next question is, auto regulation is seen in A. brain, B. liver, C. myocardium, and D. all. Correct answer is A. brain. Next question is, blood brain barrier is made up of A. astrocyte, B. microglia, C. oligodendroglycosides, and D. oligodendrogia. Correct answer is A. astrocytes. Next question is, blood flow in ml per 100 gram per minute is maximum in A. liver, B. kidney, C. heart, and D. skin. Right answer is B. kidney. Next question is, all are increased during exercise except cardiac output, B. venous return, C. coronary blood flow, and D. peripheral vascular. Right answer is D. peripheral vascular. Next question is, dichrotic notch in the aortic pressure curve is A. magnified by aortic regurgitation, B. absent in arteriosclerosis, B. off number diagnostic value, D. coincides with second heart sound. Right answer is D. coincides with second heart sound. Next question is, during BP measure, if the muffling sound does not disappear with return of Hg to O, the 0 to conclusion is A. aortic stenosis, B. hematocrit, C. zero diastolic pressure, and D. PDA. Correct answer is B. low hematocrit. Next question is, fibers of AV junction is A. modified muscle fiber, B. highly contractile, C. modified nerve fiber, and D. fastest. Correct answer is A. modified muscle fiber. Next question is, plateau phase of action potential curve of cardiac tissue is due to A. opening Na channel, B. opening of Ca channel, C. opening of K channel, and closing of Na channel. Correct answer is B. opening of Ca channel. Next question is, essay note all are true except A. initiates the impulse at faster rate, B. generate the impulse spontaneously, C. increase by parasympathetic activity, and D. increase by parasympathetic activity. Correct answer is C. increase by parasympathetic activity. Next question is, coronary blood flow stops during protodiastole, B. end of diastole, C. esovol relaxation, and D. esovol contraction. Right answer is D. esovol contraction. Next question is, bathmotropic effect is produced by A. stimulation of vagus, B. atropine, C. stalactine, and D. section of vagus. Correct answer is D. section of vagus. Next question is, injection fraction of vertical refers to the ratio A. blood received to blood ejected, B. stroke volume to end diastolic volume, C. end systolic volume to end diastolic volume, and D. stroke volume to end systolic volume. Correct answer is B. stroke volume to end diastolic volume. Next question is, ECG hallmark of hypothermia is A. prominent U wave, B. invert T wave, C. bizarre QRS, D. Osborne J wave. Right answer is D. Osborne J wave. Next question is, pulsus bisvariance is seen in AMS, AMR, CAS with AR, and D. MVP. Correct answer is CAS with AR. Next question is, can a wave of JVP is found in A. constrictive pericarditis, B. complete heart block, C. tricuspid stenosis, and B. right atrial myxoma. Correct one is B. complete heart block. Next question is, pink frothy sputum is characteristic of AMS, B. AMR, C. AS, and D. AR. Right one is AMS. Next question is, Graham Steele murmur is found AMS, B. MR, C. pulmonary regurgitation, and D. TR. Correct one is C. pulmonary regurgitation. Thank you.